Hello, Daniel Dwyer here at Gamescom 2014. I'm joined by Sean McGuinness.
Hey, Danny.
How are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing quite well.
Right here, we're looking at some original gameplay that we shot at the Ubisoft booth. This is you throwing meat at people in the Himalayas.
This is me playing right now. You'll notice immediately the first thing I did was throw some meat. And what it's done actually is, you can't see it, it's kind of obscured by that rock right there, but there's actually a snow leopard that's come to attack these guys.
Nice.
That's why they've all kind of like jumped into this kind of crazy situation here, where they're kind of firing at some unseen force off in the distance.
So this is a level that we played a couple of days ago that basically is it's kind of like an instance level up in the mountains. All this Himalaya stuff is you get via a mission marker.
Yeah.
And I guess there's a bunch of different ways, as is the Farcry modus operandi of like getting in there and getting your assassination target who's in that building. But yeah, the meat stuff.
Yes.
You can kind of use it to, as much as fun it is to throw meat at people and get animals to attack them, you can also use it as a kind of a diversionary tactic when you're stealthing, right?
Oh, it's great, yeah. I mean, you don't have to use it to, like, kill guards, although it's obviously very handy for that as well. Like, here, I'm just kind of having fun with it, purely for the sake of gameplay capture.
Yeah.
I actually want to see what happens to this guy. If I recall correctly, yep, that happens.
Oh, great. Exploding barrels, Far Cry 4 confirmed.
Still in there, but the meat is cool because you just switch from grenades to meat, and then you throw the meat.
Oh shit, there's a bear.
Yeah, so the bears are attracted to the smell of the meat. The developers told me that generally it attracts animals in the area.
You're getting attacked by it.
Yeah, so...
oh,
look, it's a bear.
You wait all day for a bear, and then two turn up at the same time.
It'll actually spawn nearby animals if there aren't any.
Nearby. Oh, you gotta be too close to him.
And take care of that
you
guy.
gotta be too close to you.
I love this shotgun right here. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's got decent range on it as well. I liked how when we went into this mission, you had your kind of wait, are you gonna make more bait out of that bear? That's kind of awful. Yeah, I love how you had like a selection of long range. You had your silent gun as well, your Uzi, so you could kind of do the stealthy stuff. You gonna skin that guy as well?
I'm not gonna skin this guy.
You're gonna skin that guy.
Just gonna pop him a couple times. So down this way, I'm actually gonna go. Wait, first. There we go.
That's a pretty good shot.
Not bad. So these are actually yaks.
Oh my god!
Yeah. The yaks are not predators like the bears and snow leopards, so they are not attracted to bait. But if you do mess around with them, they will charge you. I was trying to kite them along to attack some more enemies, but the yaks weren't having any part of it.
That's a shame. Hopefully someone will mod the PC version of Far Cry 4 so that the yaks are in fact predators. Oh, you're gonna skin that snow leopard?
Yeah, why not? I mean,
damn it.
That meat is perfectly good.
You're gonna be over encumbered with various meats from the animal kingdom pretty soon. What's that? Was that a dog?
Little mountain goat thing
cool.
just ran by. And just kind of sneaking around. The guy saw me over on the other side, so I'm gonna sneak around a little bit, take him out.
Pop him.
Pop him.
Do that sweet headshot action you had last time. Did you enjoy playing this level? You just threw some meat at him?
I had so much, like the new meat bait mechanic is just so much fun.
Good shot.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going into, this is the E3 demo at Ratugade, which I played, obviously.
And this is something that I told you to do, which was
following
throw meat at the monkeys. Didn't work. They're a little scared.
I asked the producer there how many people at the start of this demo instantly grenade launched those monkeys, and he said about 95%.
That sounds about right. And then he said only about 5% shoot the elephants.
Oh, really?
Which is very reassuring. That's nice.
Yeah, not for the monkey kingdom particularly.
Right, no, yeah, I mean, screw monkeys, but elephants are majestic creatures.
So this is I had done this demo about 20 times up until this point and had so much fun, like dying and then respawning and playing it again. This was the first time I attempted stealth, because there's one of those gyrocopters behind, and you start with the, I'm just throwing meat at people, like, I think at this stage you were just saying, throw meat at him.
Throw meat, yeah.
So I continued.
Yeah. You can see my play style rubbing off on yours at this point.
This dude jumps off the building so nonchalantly. Look at that. It's like, bam. No problem. So like you said, when you throw the meat, it tends, I guess if there's no animal nearby, it'll just kind of spawn one, and I can hear that what sounds like some sort of tiger or lion in the background. Throw some more meat down there.
One thing I do want to point out is that unlike the rocks in the game, the meat is a finite resource.
Yes.
So you can actually see in the corner you've got 3 hunks of meat in your magical meat bag right now.
And now these guys are shooting at, I believe, a snow leopard that's appeared over to the left. So I'm like, I'm using that. They're all got their attention over.
Biggest planet cracker in her class.
Sure, why not? It's been a pretty quiet day so far.
Breaking news. A heist is underway in downtown Los Angeles. The target? Armored trucks. Sky 5 News is reporting live from the increasingly chaotic scene.
Gentlemen, let's get cracking. We got a heist to pull.
211 in progress. Suspects are armed and dangerous. Backup is needed. Code 3.
Cops spotted on the bridge! Someone pinned down! Help me out here! He hit the crane cable!
The package is en route to the drop-off.
Grapple's up and good!
That's what you get!
Take the shot!
Need some help here!
They got us surrounded! Stop them!
This is the police! Land your helicopter now!
Take the pilot out!
No!
You have the right to remain silent.
Hell yeah! Delicious donut! Spotted!
Pilot, my mapping systems have been restored. The ambush of the 9th Militia Fleet has landed us far off course from our original destination. We are located in hostile territory. Be careful, we cannot stay here long.
You think we can survive through this, BT?
We have no other options. We will have to improvise and adapt if we wish to survive.
How long did you serve with Lastimosa?
Captain Lastimosa linked with me 973 days ago.
That's longer than any relationship I've had.
Noted.